Hey guys, what's going on? Adam here with Indie Farm Life. Today's like Christmas. I got word from Chris a little while ago that Farmer Mike is over here digging with his excavator for the pond. I met him earlier this week. I knew he was going to be starting at some point, but I didn't know exactly what day it'd be, so I'm racing over here on a school night, try to help out. Actually, Chris has just jumped in the 7 Series John Deere tractor towing the 30-ton Holmes dump wagon, and he keeps sending me text messages and Snapchats. He's a little excited, to say the least. So I don't know how long we're going to work tonight or how much I'll even be able to capture of all this, because they've been working for a while, so I need to play catch up on the dozer, and make stopping to film and reset the camera isn't conducive to quick work. So I'll definitely at least get some after footage and show the equipment that we're running out here. Mike has some awesome toys, so here we go. Creeping up on it now. I see some big yellow machines poking through the trees here. Well, look at that. Ain't that a sight? That's just a little bit bigger than my barge wagon over here. Just a bit. It's making some good progress though. Let's get to work. There's Chris in all his glory. Look at that bad boy. That thing is awesome. All right, game time. Pretty good. That looks awesome. Deere 200D is what he's got. Chris here on the 7210R. Little trench here. Looking pretty good. That's gonna be the beach area. Holmes T3066, the 30-ton dump wagon. This thing is mammoth. Childhood dreams do come true. He's filling her up pretty good. And we're not really going much further than 100 yards or so. Maybe 200. Farmers have all the toys. What an operation we got going here tonight. It is a dusty mess out here, but we're making progress. So now my goal, or my task from Farmer Mike, there's a number of piles behind me here that he wants me to knock down so he can try to back up on these tomorrow. Still pretty low back that way, but Chris and Mike are gonna keep hauling, and I'm gonna knock these down. A little better perspective of how much dirt we're dealing with, and I'm gonna get to work. Probably won't film much of this. It's a race against the clock. About 8:15, 8:20 maybe. It's getting kind of dark. I have no idea what the pond looks like, but my area up here is looking pretty good. Meanwhile, Chris comes rolling in. Building roads out here. I don't know how much longer I'll be out here yet tonight, but I'll go as long as Farmer Mike's going. Probably shouldn't say that. I need one of those. By one of those, I mean one of those units, like the trailer and the tractor. If only all this stuff was ours. Our operation definitely stepped up its game if that were to be the case. Checking on things up here. Looking pretty good. All right, guys, day one of pond production is in the books. It's looking a whole lot different out here. Let me spin around here and show you guys. So right here in front of me is going to be the south end, and where we're going to put the beach area somewhere around in here, but he made a pretty good progress. Although progress is going to slow a whole lot more when he starts digging to depths of 20 feet. But we're surprised that we hit a little bit of water already, given that it hadn't rained in measurable rain in probably 20 days or so. It's been dry summer since the wet spring. So I think tomorrow Chris and I both gonna try to get off work a little early and help Mike run for the day. But then Chris works this weekend, so he won't be around. So just probably me and Mike doing a lot of the work. I'll take you guys out here in the back and show you where I was dozing down those piles, so that you have an idea of what that looks like. I think tomorrow while Chris and I at work, Mike is gonna, hot seat it and run it by himself. But he's gonna try to pull up on that berm I built and keep dumping and raise it up. This looks a little different than it did a couple days ago. But the hope is that Mike's going to be able to back that tractor and wagon up on this and continue extending this. Now, better he than Chris or I, because I don't want to break his really expensive equipment. But if he can do it, more power to him. So, got a decent little road here for him. Hopefully, it'll work. Got a tree here too. The key, I think, was trying to get this ramp gradual enough to have enough power and traction, really, to push that wagon up on here. So hopefully this is gradual enough. My guess is that it probably is, but Mike will be the ultimate judge of that, I guess, tomorrow. So I won't try to overwhelm you guys with videos. I won't probably have a video for every day we're out here, because that could be excessive. More to come. Stay tuned for all the fun. There's some fun there. There's some fun there. And that seems like little fun over there anymore. It's still fun, but when new toys come to the farm, it's just a good time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Hope to see you guys around the channel soon. Whole lot more dirt to move. Take care.